The educational app that I have chosen to look at is called IXL. This can be downloaded and used on iPads or Chromebooks, and it can be accessed from the web. IXL does require a membership. You do have to pay for it, and when you buy a subscription, you are paying for a certain number of students, which I believe will help motivate teachers to use it a little bit more if you're having to pay for it. I know if I'm having to pay for something, I'm sure going to use it. But the IXL program is not one that I use, but our lower elementary, our K-1-2 teachers use this. They use this daily in their reading groups, and I feel sure that some of them use it in math as well. It covers pre-K through 12th grade math and language arts, and 2nd through 8th grade science and social studies. It also covers Spanish. It is broken down by grade level, and then it's broken down by subject, and then it is broken down by skill sets. So I'm going to look at 6th grade math really quickly. And when you hover over top of one of the different skill sets, it'll show you an example of what kind of question is going to come up. This way teachers get a better idea, because not all the standard numbers here, these are not the same. These are just the way that IXL has broken them down. So when you click on something, it'll show you what to expect. This is a great tool for differentiation. Many of the teachers here, they use this again during their center times, and you can assign this during stations or during centers for students that may need extra help in an area, or you can assign this to students that may be ready to move on. You may have students in math that are struggling with a concept, and you can put them on the iPad or on the Chromebook and set them to work on a task and get them some extra help. What it does is, if students get a problem wrong, let's get this one wrong here, it will explain to the students why it was wrong and how to go about doing the problem correctly. I really like that it does that, and it'll help clarify some misconceptions students have. After it shows you how to do the problem, it'll give you another problem just like it with different numbers. So students kind of get another shot. So then when they go back, they have a better chance of getting the problem correct and moving on. It shows you how many questions you've got right. It shows how long you've worked on the program, and then it gives you a SMART score. The SMART score is what students earn towards mastery of the concept. The goal is to get between 90 and 100, and that would show that the students have mastered the concept. Also in science, I've not really got to use this in my class, but I have looked at it a little bit. It shows real questions that students will come across in maybe an end of grade testing, and it has questions laid out just like they would see them there. Also, the teachers can print out a diagnostic report on each individual child or on each individual concept, and it'll show the students' growth over the grading period. It'll show what students have mastered, what concepts. It'll show what students need to work on different concepts more. It's great to have for parent-teacher conferences. You can print that out and put it in the student's file. You can use those for grades, for growth, for many different things. Overall, I believe IXL is a great learning program, and it's great for differentiation, and I really feel like students will benefit from it.